Alright guys, let's install this nice Stator cover. It does come with new bolts. It came with a gasket. However, it said it did not come with a gasket. So I ended up getting the original one. And I will probably use the original one since I have it. And technically you do not have to drain the oil, but do expect some oil to come out. Damn, that's a strong magnet. Oh man. Now I'm gonna take out these bolts, those two, and transfer this to the new cover. And then take out the old gasket. It's falling apart already. And also the dowel pins, these are important. And the other one is stuck here in the cover. Keep a note of this plate. There's a plate that holds the wire down and away. So important. As you can see, it has some overspray. That's gonna have to be removed so we get a good sealing surface. I'm gonna try to go like this. I did my best, cleaned out pretty good. Used the razor blade and some Scotch-Brite with a little brake clean and did the job. The surface is a little bit rough compared to the original cover that is nice and machined and flat. So what I would do is a little bit of RTV on this surface. Also, I will use a little RTV. If you can see here, there's a line from the cases. Because in theory, oil can go through and come out. And it's the same thing on this side as well. It's gonna suck in like crazy because of the magnet, so make sure your fingers are clear.
Damn!
This is the low beam light bulb. Black and white is the ground wire, and the white is the power supply. And that power supply goes all the way to the fuse box. So if you follow this white wire all the way down here to the fuse box. I highly recommend you get one of these. It is a lot of help. So on my bike, it's a 2020 second gen. The fuse box is here. Other years, it might be another spot, especially on the first generation. That's the wiring for the headlight bulb. The white wire, I traced it all the way. It comes to this connector. And it's this white wire that you see over here. You don't have to take off the instrument cluster. I only did it to verify with a multimeter that's actually the wire that I'm going after. Now in order to access the fuse box, this needs to come off because of this screw. To remove that screw, you gotta take out this lower piece, which sits in here. And in order to take that out, you gotta take this out. The upper part, which is held on by 4 of these push clip to tap into that wire. The way it works, it has a little needle, and when you run it through, it just pokes that wire. I almost poked myself there. It pokes the wire, and then on the other side, you feed the wire from the stator. Red is going to be power, the red and black is going to be the ground. For the ground wire, I could do the same method. However, instead of poking another wire, I'm going to use this that I had laying around and put it on this mounting bolt. This just holds the line for the clutch, the hydraulic line. And to take out the fairings on the side here, besides the obvious bolts that need to come out, there's also some push thingies that go into grommets. Another one here, and there's one on top. And inside here, this one, gotta take out this guy. So once the bolts are out, basically, what you need to do is pull the fairing upwards over here on the black piece, because it has that thing that goes in the grommets. That's the other one, and another one. Once you pull out the fairing, take out all the bolts, the next step is you're gonna have to like twist it off from here because it slides in. Alright people, big update. I highly do not recommend this cover. I took the bike for one ride, a 20-minute ride, and for some reason the window cracked. Right here. And there's another crack right there. I don't know what happened. It was just a 20-minute normal ride. Came back the next day, the bike was leaking oil. It leaked out a good amount of oil. I don't know if it was defective or it's just a crappy design. And it's really sad because it was a nice cover. It looked really cool. So now unfortunately, I gotta take it all apart again and put the old cover on.
Shit.
Which sucks, but I have no choice.